Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll cover the essential Linux navigation and output direction commands. We will explore more home directories, user information, and manual pages, finding the files, and redirecting outputs. So, coming to the navigation, home direction, and user information. First of all, I need to check where the current directory is. I'll use pwd as command, then type enter. I'm in the home. Then I want to level up the thing, like I want to know which user and using this terminal. So for this I need to just change the directory. Yeah, so then I can check whether who is using this terminal by typing the command whoami, so that I can see this is my username. This is the username we can show by using this command. And going to the next one, manual page and finding the files. First of all, I want to create two different files so that I can merge, like combine two different files in together. I'll create a directory for test1, okay, and one more for test2 dir. For making directly we will use mkdir. I already told in the previous videos. So let me check whether they have created or not. Yes, both were created, both test were created. Now let me combine all together by using cat command. Cat, first of all we have to create the cat file using cat file name test1 dot text. Let me check. Cat test1 space test2. For creating a new directory or file, just use cat as a command, and we can create multiple files with that. And just if you want to combine two files together, just use cat command. Cat for example, here I used cat test1 dot text, then the second file name, which is test2 dot text. So then we can combine all together. And coming to the redirect output, so for that we have to use a list.txt, save directory contents to a file, then use to append like echo hello list.txt. So in this video we learned about the navigation, user information, manuals, find, cat, and redirecting. In the next video I'll explain